Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create 4 photos collage video using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to select video and then select new to create new project, and I'm going to select blank clip, and I'm going to import this blank clip to my project. Okay, and for Instagram reel, we need to select 9:16 ratio. You can change the ratio on the canvas and make sure you select this one for your Instagram reel. And I'm going to extend the duration. All right, and then we're going to add photos to this project. So we can go to the BIP and then you can choose photos from your gallery. You can choose photos you want to make as collage. I'm going to select photo from my pins folder. Wait, okay, and then I'm going to add this photo first. Okay, you can adjust the position, and then I'm going to add more photos. Just repeat the step. Oops, sorry. I'm going to add this one, and you can arrange your photo. But wait, I'm going to add the photos one more time. One more photo. Okay, and you can arrange your photo just like this guys. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the photos. Okay, and then we can adjust the duration of the photos. Wait, I'm going to make it align with the blank clip for all the photos. Okay, and then we can adjust it like this. Okay, you can keep adjusting guys. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, basically you just need to keep adjusting guys until you get what you want. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create 4 photos collage video using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.